Good morning everyone. Today I discuss about estimating and costing too. Before we going through estimating and costing too, first of all we know about estimating and costing 1. In third semester we already discussed about estimating and costing. What is estimating, what is costing, we already know about. Okay. In estimating 1, we calculate the building construction procedure, then building material, building how many labor requirement, material requirement, the cost of the project already calculated. In estimating 2, we calculate the irrigation structure and bridge and culvert and railway section. Then we discuss about first chapter, chapter number 1, detailed estimate of culvert and bridge. Detailed estimate of culvert and bridge. We discuss the part, the detailed estimate of simple hewn pipe culvert with right angle wing wall, then RCC deck slab culvert with right angle wing wall, RCC deck slab culvert with split wing wall, then quantity of steel for deck slab with bar bending schedule of the F of job. So, these are the things we calculated in the chapter 1 in detailed estimate of culvert and bridge. Okay. Before we going through the calculation, first of all, we know about what is culvert, what is bridge. Okay. First of all, we discuss about culvert. What is culvert? Culvert is a structure that allows water to flow under a road, railway, or a similar obstruction from one side to the other side. Culverts are commonly used both as cross drainage to relieve drainage, ditches at the roadside, and to pass water under a road at natural drainage and stream crossing. A culvert may be bridge-like structure designed to allow vehicle or pedestrian traffic to cross over the water while allowing adequate passage of the water. Family culverts come in many sizes and shapes, including round, elliptical, flat, open bottomed, pear shaped, box-like. Many shapes are there. The culvert type and shape selection is based on the number of factors, including requirement of hydraulic performance, limitation on upstream water surface, elevation and roadway embankment, and height. Here, the definition of culvert. Culvert is defined as the tonnage structure constructed under roadway or railway to provide across drainage or to take electrical or other cable from one side to other. It is totally enclosed by soil or ground. Pipe culvert, box culvert and arch culvert are the commonly type of culvert used under roadway and railway. Normally, the culvert and bridge are same, but how can we define which is the bridge structure, which is the culvert structure? Normally, generally the length between the face of the abutment is 6 meter or less than 6 meter of a culvert of the structure. Then we define is the culvert, or with the structure, the length between the face of abutment is greater than 6 meter, then we define it is a bridge structure. It is a basic difference between the bridge and culvert. Okay. So first of all, it is the diagram of a arch culvert. We define abutment, wing wall, parapet, the basic components of a culvert. Normally, a culvert is a combination of 4 wing wall, then two abutments. Okay. These are the wing wall, two wing walls. These are the two wing walls, back sides also. These are the abutments. Then these are the foundations. This is the parapet section. Okay. So first of all, we know about what is abutment. Well, we know about what is foundation concrete. So first of all, we know what is abutment. In engineering, abutment refer to the structure at the end of a bridge span or dam where on the structure, superstructure, rest or contact. Single span bridges have abutment at each end and which provide vertical and lateral support for the bridge. Normally, abutment provide the vertical and lateral support to the bridge. Okay. It is a masonry or reinforced concrete wall that constructed the end support of the bridge or culvert by which it joined the bank of the water supply. Okay. Next we know about wing wall. What do you mean by wing wall? So, wing wall is a structure that defines an area or carries a load, provided security, shelter or surrounding proofing, or is decorative. There are many kinds of wall, including wall, building that form a fundamental part of the superstructure or separate interior room, sometimes for fire safety. Border barrier between countries, brick walls, defensive wall, in door, mobile wall, glass wall. In case of culvert structure, wing wall, it is the retaining wall which sustains the embankment of the approach where they join the bridge. Okay. This protects the structure from ocean or river. If any damages occur, then wing wall frills protect the structure from any damage. Okay. Then we discuss about what is parapet. What do you mean parapet? Parapet also used in building structure. Parapet is a barrier that is an extension of the wall at the edge of the roof, terrace, balcony, bulkhead or other structure. The word comes ultimately from the Italian parapetto. The German equivalent "brustus" has the same meaning, where extending above a roof, a parapet may simply the portion of an exterior wall that continue above the edge line of the roof surface, or maybe continuation of a vertical feature, the roof such as firewall or partition wall. Parapet were originally used to defend building from military attack, but today their preliminary use are guardrail and to prevent the threat of fire. Normally, parapet used as a barrier in a culvert structure. Okay. These are the parts of a culvert. Next, then we discuss about types of culvert. How many types of culvert is used? This is a pipe culvert, single or multiple. We can use single pipe or a multiple numbers of pipe for a culvert. If it's depend upon the flow of the water, okay, and the weight of the section also. Pipe culvert are widely used culvert and rounded in shape. The culvert may be of single in number or multiple. If single pipe culvert used, then large diameter culvert is installed. Then multiple numbers of multiple numbers of pipe used, then you can reduce the diameter of the pipe. Thank you. Remaining part we discuss next class.